The GPods. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the GPods by HHOGene, which features LED lighting. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a user guide, USB-C charging cable, and an assortment of ear tips. And you get 4 different shells. The GPods features 5 hours of listening time with ANC off and 4 hours with ANC on, and you get 20 hours total with the case. Uses Bluetooth 5.2, SBC AAC codec, full RGB LEDs, app integration, ANC and transparency modes, USB-C for charging, and it's IPX4 water resistant. The case is small and compact with a matte finish all around. And on the front, you'll find the status LED. On the back, you have the USB-C charge port. The lid opens and closes smoothly, and you have the pairing button inside. Earbuds are easy to grip and remove from the case. Earbuds have a short stem design similar to the AirPods Pro. The inside face has the ear markings and the outer face has the LED lights. Each of the earbuds have the microphones, interchangeable ear tips, charging contacts, LED lighting, and the touch controls on the side of the stem. Here they are side by side. Navigating the controls is just a few taps or a long hold to get the desired function. Looking at the shells, this came with 4 different ones, and you can see here. I like the packaging that it comes in a clear plastic cylinder. Let's see how the skulls look on it. It's fairly simple to install, it just clips right on it. And this is how they look with the lights off. Once you're connected to the app, you have tons of options to modify the colors and appearance. With the light control, you can have it ripple, pulse, bright, or breath for the lighting effect. Or you can disable the lights if you don't want them on. Along with the light control, you can customize the colors and select from a color palette and set the pattern accordingly. You also have the option of capturing a color with the camera. Under the colors section, there are presets you can choose from, like Tokyo Night, Variable Dream, Galaxy, just to name a few, and you can customize your own. And this is how it looks as I cycle through these presets. And under the sound section, you can choose from the different EQ settings, and you can also toggle the ANC and transparency modes. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
When the tide is high and the water's rising, and you don't know why you can't keep the light in every skyfall is a silver lining, and when the smoke clears appears a revival. We've all got things to outrun when moments come.
Turn me up in the headphones. Yeah. Trying to get a lot of dough and dirt through all the obstacles, cause anything is possible.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the GPods microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone came in clear during calls and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant, and when testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the earbuds. They were comfortable and I didn't feel pressure in my ear canals. It created a good seal and they felt secure. Touch controls are on the side so they don't add pressure when navigating. Build-in quality is good. The case feels durable along with the earbuds. Touch controls are responsive and they were not overly sensitive. Battery life is a bit underwhelming at 5 hours and can be less with ANC on. The lighting effect on the outer face is unique and there's so many options to customize it in the app, which is very intuitive. The ANC feature did cancel the surroundings, but I felt it could have been better, along with the transparency mode. Now when it comes to sound, the bass is a bit underwhelming. You don't get the heavy punchy sounds and it's not as tight. Mids and highs do stand out and this leans more towards a brighter sound signature in my opinion. Overall, I feel the sounds were just okay. Where these stand out are with the LED lighting. If you want to have the customization and look different from the rest, then these will definitely be a pair to get. There are a lot of shells to choose from along with the color customization in the app. So that is my review of the HHOGene GPods. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.